Hi, hello, bonjour. My name is Manon. I am a Canadian artist and I love creating paintings, fashion pieces, pillows, apparels. I love to create. I hope these videos will inspire you in your journey of creating. So, let's get started. Starting a new project today, and you can ask me any question you want, any instruction, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, let's start. To create my background, I want to use only three simple colors. So, whoops, this one is turquoise, red oxide, and white. But first, because I'm trying different colors that I'm not using frequently, I want to try on the paper what it will look like when I mix them. So let's do it together. So that's a bit of turquoise. I like that. If I mix them together, I love it. Look at this color. I'm in love. Look at that. So yes, I want to use these three colors. This is acrylic paint for my background. And then I will finish the painting with oil. Whoa, so beautiful. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's start. So I'm using a 3-inch Liquitex brush, also 3.5 inch spatula, and a sponge. This is only white, and I'll use my other colors. I want to cover the whole canvas. I don't like to work on a white canvas. So now it has to be completely dry before we start the oil paint, with the oil paint. Okay. My plan for today, I think I will do something similar to this painting I did last week. So I called it Our Prairies. It's a beautiful landscape with soft colors. So I did the same thing. Acrylic background, and then I finished it with oil. It's very vibrant. Colors. When I paint with oil, I use liquid. I use it to speed the drying time. I usually start with a bigger brush And then along the way, I diminish the size of my brushes. So this is about an inch and a bit more. Let's try a bigger brush. This is probably 2 inches. 2 inch. Yeah, that's better. Better. think I'm done for today. So what I tried to do, if you notice while I was painting, is mostly blending colors with each other's, so it looks harmonious. And also this is the big sky with, when we see a lot of colors in the sky, and the landscape with the little farm. So before adding some more, if I want to add anything else when it's dry or drier, I need to let it dry at this point. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please, if you have any question about something I did, or you need to know about something, that I would love to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this short video and hope to see you soon. Bye, salut, à la prochaine. I want to share with you why this is my second landscape this way, about the prairies here in Alberta, Canada. I was asked to do a commission painting for a dental clinic, and this is when I created the other one I showed you at the beginning of the deal. And I had a lot of good comments about it, about the painting. So I say, hey, that's great. So let's do another one. So today I did another one with you, and it's this one. So there's, now that I had the time to look at it, there's a few places that I don't really like, so I will have to continue working on it. Let me show you. From very close, I can see lines like that. This is because there's not enough oil paint to cover the background. And this is a mistake I did. So I need to add more paint to cover the brush strokes that I did before, that I don't like to see them, especially because the brush stroke under the oil paint is going this way, and I want my landscape, the brush strokes, to go this way. So this is something I will need to correct. Otherwise, I think I like it. I like the clouds and this big skies. In the prairies, you see just a tiny bit of land, and then it's all skies. So this was my inspiration for these two paintings. So I hope you enjoyed it. About my inspiration, what I don't like and what I need to work on. Please let me know to have your opinion on this. So hope to see you soon. Hope to not see, because I can't see you, but hope to chat with you soon. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Salut, à la prochaine.